Subtitle: Have you ever pondered the immense power of volcanoes, or the intricate technology that lets drones capture their fiery spectacle? Have you ever pondered the immense power of volcanoes, or the intricate technology that lets drones capture their fiery spectacle? Today we delve into a tale that intertwines both, in the icy landscapes of Iceland. In the chronicles of Earth's history, March 2021 marked a significant event. The Fagradalsfjall volcano, dormant for a staggering 6,000 years, rumbled back to life. This ancient giant spat molten lava into the frigid Icelandic air, creating a stark contrast against the pristine, icy landscapes. The eruption, an awe-inspiring spectacle of nature's raw power, captivated the world. Subtitles: Enter our protagonist, a drone piloted by YouTuber Joey Helms. As the volcano continued to churn out rivers of fiery lava, an attempt was made to capture this spectacle up close. The drone, equipped with cutting-edge technology, was sent soaring into the sky, its lens trained on the fiery heart of Fagradalsfjall. But the mission was not without its risks. The drone, like Icarus flying too close to the sun, ventured a tad too near the volcano's inferno. The result? A collision course with destiny. The drone plunged into the volcano, its journey abruptly ending in a spectacular crash. Yet even in its final moments, the drone did not fail its mission. Subtitle appears: It captured the volcano's raw power from a perspective rarely seen. The images it transmitted back before its fiery demise offered an unprecedented view of the volcano's heart, a maelstrom of molten rock and searing heat. In summary, the drone's journey from its launch to its unexpected crash was a testament to the daring spirit of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Subtitle: In summary, the drone's journey from its launch to its unexpected crash was a testament to the daring spirit of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The crash served as a stark reminder of nature's untamed power and the risks inherent in exploring it. The incident also highlighted the boundless potential of drone technology, capable of venturing where humans dare not tread. Despite the drone's untimely demise, the footage it captured will serve as a valuable resource for scientists and volcano enthusiasts alike, offering a unique glimpse into the heart of a volcano that had lain dormant for millennia. Subtitle: So, as we marvel at the power of volcanoes and the technology that allows us to explore them, let's remember the drone that ventured too close to its story is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge, even in the face of extraordinary risks. It's a story of courage, curiosity, and the unyielding power of nature.